Learn English to Gujarati, development, progress, change and
विकास, प्रगति.
welcome to the word parade. Hey, you are about to learn some big idea words in Gujarati without falling asleep on page 2. And yes, even serious vocabulary can wear clown shoes. Today your mission is to learn these English words in Gujarati: development, progress, setback, change, upheaval, trend, and tendency. In Gujarati, they are
विकास, प्रगति, पाछળ પડવું, ફેરફાર, ઉથલપાથલ, પ્રવૃત્તિ,
and.
વૃત્તિ.
Think of this chapter as a tiny comedy club where vocabulary does stand up and your memory claps politely. A city in motion. Let's start with a mini story so the words stick naturally. Picture a city trying very hard to become impressive enough to appear on a postcard. Once there was a sleepy town with one tea stall, 2 goats, and a mayor with enormous dreams. He looked at the dusty roads and shouted, "We need
વિકાસ.
That means development. Soon the town got better roads, new schools, and brighter streetlights. People smiled and said, "Ah, real."
પ્રગતિ.
That means progress. Then a giant storm arrived, a roof flew away, and the mayor's hat landed in a pond. Everyone groaned, "Oh no,
પાછળ પડવું.
That means a setback. After the storm, the town rebuilt everything with a big
ફેરફાર.
or change, but for one wild week there was total
ઉથલપાથલ.
upheaval, chaos, papers flying, chickens acting like politicians. Later, blue bicycles became popular. That was a new
પ્રવૃત્તિ.
a trend, and the mayor still had a
વૃત્તિ.
to make speeches every 10 minutes. That is a tendency. You just learned a whole little universe. Word by word, no panic. Now you'll zoom in on each word. Nice and easy, like language learning in slippers. Development is
વિકાસ.
example. The city needs rapid.
વિકાસ.
Quote. Progress is
પ્રગતિ.
example. Small steps bring.
પ્રગતિ.
Quote. Setback is
પાછળ પડવું.
example. This mistake is only a temporary.
પાછળ પડવું.
Quote. Change is
ફેરફાર.
example. A small
ફેરફાર.
can help a lot. Upheaval is
ઉથલપાથલ.
example. After the storm, there was great
ઉથલપાથલ.
in the village. Trend is
પ્રવૃત્તિ.
example. This fashion
પ્રવૃત્તિ.
became popular quickly. Tendency is
વૃત્તિ.
example. He has a
વૃત્તિ.
to worry too much. Tiny dialogue, big memory. You learn fast when words speak to each other. So here comes a very dramatic conversation between 2 people and one overconfident chicken. A. The town is changing fast. B. Yes, this is real.
વિકાસ.
A. Are we improving? B. Yes, I see.
પ્રગતિ.
Every week. A. We lost one client. B. Relax, it is only a.
પાછળ પડવું.
A. Everything looks different. B. Yes, what a big.
ફેરફાર.
A. Why is everyone shouting and why is a chicken in the meeting room? B. There is.
ઉથલપાથલ.
In the city. A. Why is everybody wearing blue shoes? B. It is the latest.
પ્રવૃત્તિ.
A. Why does the mayor keep making speeches? B. It is his.
વૃત્તિ.
Funny memory hooks. Let's make the words ridiculous, because your brain loves weird details. Very classy of the brain, honestly. Picture a tiny seed turning into a skyscraper. That giant growth is
વિકાસ.
Imagine a snail climbing a ladder and yelling, "Slow but."
પ્રગતિ.
Quote. See yourself climbing stairs, slipping back one step, then saying, "Fine." A.
પાછળ પડવું.
Not the end. Imagine a chameleon opening a makeover salon called
ફેરફાર.
Every customer leaves in a new color. Picture your room upside down, socks on the fan, spoon in the lamp, and total.
उथल-पाथल.
Imagine a fashion magazine where every page screams blue shoes, blue hats, blue noodles. That widespread pattern is.
प्रवृत्ति.
Now picture a cat that always sits on your keyboard the second you start working. That repeated leaning is its.
वृत्ति.
Quick practice drill. Your turn. I say the English, you say the Gujarati out loud before I reveal it. Yes, actually out loud. The walls are supportive. Development.
विकास.
Progress.
प्रगति.
Setback.
પાછળ પડવું.
Change.
ફેરફાર.
Upheaval.
ઉથલ-પાથલ.
Trend.
પ્રવૃત્તિ.
Tendency.
વૃત્તિ.
Mini quiz show. Welcome to the world's cheapest game show. Your prize is vocabulary confidence and maybe imaginary confetti. Question 1. What is the Gujarati word for development?
વિકાસ.
Question 2. What is the Gujarati word for progress?
પ્રગતિ.
Question 3. What is the Gujarati word for setback?
પાછળ પડવું.
Question 4. What is the Gujarati word for change?
ફેરફાર.
Question 5. What is the Gujarati word for upheaval?
ઉથલ-પાથલ.
Question 6. What is the Gujarati word for trend?
પ્રવૃત્તિ.
Question 7. What is the Gujarati word for tendency?
વૃત્તિ.
Real-life connections. Let's make these words useful in actual life, not just in the strange kingdom of vocabulary drills. When people discuss cities, education, roads, or technology, you may hear
વિકાસ.
for development. When someone improves little by little, that is
પ્રગતિ.
a temporary problem in work, study, or business can be called
પાછળ પડવું.
a shift in plans, habits, style, or situation is
ફેરફાર.
big disorder after a storm, crisis, or political event is
ઉથલ-પાથલ.
a broad pattern in fashion, sales, or society is
પ્રવૃત્તિ.
a repeated leaning in behavior, such as worrying, interrupting, or arriving late, is
વૃત્તિ.
final challenge. Last round. You're going to connect the words in one flowing idea. Fancy, I know. Try saying this in English first. Development brings progress, but one setback can cause change and even upheaval. A trend can spread, and people may have a tendency to follow it. Now listen to the key Gujarati words again in order.
વિકાસ. પ્રગતિ. પાછળ પડવું. ફેરફાર. ઉથલ-પાથલ. પ્રવૃત્તિ. વૃત્તિ.
If you remembered most of them, that is not luck. That is your own.
પ્રગતિ.
Thanks and keep going. Nice work. You made it through serious vocabulary with style. And hopefully without any major.
ઉથલ-પાથલ.
Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these Gujarati words.
વિકાસ. પ્રગતિ. પાછળ પડવું. ફેરફાર. ઉથલ-પાથલ. પ્રવૃત્તિ.
And
વૃત્તિ.
out loud, in short sentences, and in your daily thoughts. Come back, review often, and trust your progress. You are doing great, keep practicing.